The evening has settled softly outside. Snow rests quietly on the ground. The little wooden cottage is warm. Inside, a small fire burns in the fireplace. The flames move slowly. Soft orange light fills the room. A gentle crackle can be heard. Wood shifts quietly. Take a slow breath. The room feels peaceful. A comfortable chair sits near the fire. Next to it, a basket of yarn rests on the floor. Soft balls of wool, cream, warm brown, dusty rose. A handmade blanket lies over the arm of the chair, thick, warm, familiar. The lamp beside the chair glows softly, not too bright, just enough light to see the stitches. Outside, winter is still. Inside, everything feels calm. A pair of hands reaches for the yarn. Slow movements, comfortable movements, hands that have done this many times. The crochet hook slides through the yarn. One stitch, then another. The rhythm begins. Quiet, steady. The fire crackles soft. The hook moves gently. Yarn loops, stitch by stitch. Take another slow breath. Feel the warmth of the room. This is the kind of evening meant for crochet. The kind of evening that feels like home. The quiet rhythm of crochet brings back memories. Old memories. Gentle ones. Many years ago, another pair of hands moved just like this. Grandmother's hands. She always sat near the fire, just like this. Her chair was older. Wooden arms worn smooth from years of use. Her yarn basket was always full. She kept every color. Soft greens, warm reds, deep blues. But most of all, she loved simple cream yarn. She said it looked like winter snow. The fire always burned gently beside her. The same quiet, crackling sound and the same peaceful rhythm. Stitch, loop, pull, stitch. Take a slow breath. Listen to the fire. Grandmother rarely rushed. She believed crochet should be slow. She would smile softly and say, "Good things are made one stitch at a time." Her blankets were everywhere in the house. On beds, on chairs, folded neatly in baskets. Every blanket carried warmth, not just from the yarn, but from her quiet patience. Even now, many years later, those blankets still feel warm. The crochet hook moves again, slow and steady. The yarn slides smoothly through the fingers. Soft wool. Warm and gentle. The fire glows a little brighter now. Flames move slowly against the dark fireplace bricks. Crackle. Pop. A small spark rises and disappears. The room stays quiet. The blanket grows slowly. Row by row. Stitch by stitch. There is something peaceful about handmade work. It asks for patience. It asks for time, but it gives something back. Calm, stillness, a quiet sense of care. Take a slow breath. Feel the warmth of the room. Each stitch holds a small moment, a moment of quiet, a moment of warmth, a moment of peace. Crochet has always been like this. Simple, gentle, comforting, just like the blankets grandmother used to make. Outside the cottage window, winter continues. Snow rests quietly on the trees. The night sky is soft and dark, but inside the room feels safe. The fireplace glows warmly. The lamplight rests softly on the yarn. The crochet hook continues its slow rhythm. Stitch, loop, pull. The blanket grows heavier, warmer. A warm blanket slowly forming in quiet hands. Take another slow breath. Feel the warmth of the room. The fire crackles gently again. A peaceful sound, a familiar sound. Even the clock on the wall ticks softly. Nothing is rushing. Nothing is loud. Just warmth. Just quiet. Just the slow comfort of making something by hand. The crochet hook finally pauses. The blanket is nearly finished. Soft, warm, heavy with stitches. It rests gently across the lap. The fire continues to glow quietly. Its warm light touches the blanket. Each stitch tells a quiet story. A winter evening, a warm fire, a memory of grandmother. Handmade blankets always carry something special. Time, care, patience, love. Take a slow breath. Feel the warmth of the room. Just like grandmother once said, good things are made one stitch at a time. And just like a handmade blanket, this quiet evening wraps around you. Soft, warm, comforting, like a gentle hug on a winter night.